Yeah, up to you. You can actually the lecture is like 140, but no need. You can just 1 hour and then the other lecture.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Dr. Sunartho, Dr. Fadli, thank you for inviting me, and it's a great pleasure to be here. All the faculty members, thank you for being here and inviting me here. As Dr. Sunartho mentioned in his opening remarks, extreme events are getting more extreme and prolonged and more frequent. So like floods, droughts, forest fire, we are getting more, and also sea level is rising. So that's a big concern for the society as a whole, and also for the policymakers and researchers to understand what is going to happen in next 20 to 30 years, next 100 years, so that we can properly prepare ourselves for the future, either through adaptation processes or mitigation processes. So today I'm going to talk mostly about the ARC interactions. My background is in physical oceanography. I'm trained in physical oceanography, and then have been working on climate dynamics, ocean atmosphere interactions, modeling, and predictions and applications. So today mostly I will focus on climate variability and what is going to happen to those modes of climate variations like the El Nino, the Indian Ocean Dipole, and what impact we may expect from those changes. To start with, we know that we have frequent extreme events. I was just searching on the web, and we found that this year we have lots of floods. Usually it happens during La Nina years. And this year is not a strong La Nina year. We have a moderate La Nina. It's just evolving. Even then, we have lots of floods. And when we are coming from Jakarta, it was actual flooding. And then 2 years ago, if you remember, we had droughts. 2023 also known for many droughts in Indonesia, forest fires. And the heat waves. Even last year, we had a lot of heat waves. And not only in Indonesia, but many parts of the world. Actually, India and several other regions in Africa recording, you can see here the news says like 37.6 degrees centigrade. It's already a big concern for the local region in Indonesia. But several parts of India now recording excess of 50 degrees centigrade. So that's why the UN Secretary General says, okay, we are now in an era of global boiling. Global warming has gone. Now we are in a global boiling era. So that's why we need to take care of our influence on the climate by reducing the greenhouse gases. Not only it is affecting floods, droughts, and like heat waves, but also it is affecting the infectious diseases like malaria, cholera, dengue. Those kind of infectious diseases are also affected by these extreme events. So that's why, and most importantly, the mental health. Nowadays, we find a lot of distress, especially among school children. I think matured as you are now, students here, undergraduate students, you already know that it's not a big issue. We can manage, we can adapt. But for school children, it's a big stress. So mental health is also affected by the global warming and the extreme events. Especially farmers are committing suicide, fishermen